Find the first four central moment of data. Central moment means the moment about the mean. First of all, we calculate the mean of the data, and after that we calculate central moment of the data. We construct a table. Consider xi to be the given observation 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. Add them 5, 10, 15, 25. Then number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are n is equal to 5. Number of observations are 5. So mean is equal to, mean is given as sigma xi upon n, sum of observation divided by number of observation, 25 upon 5, which is equal to 5. Now 5 is our mean, so we will calculate xi minus x bar. Xi minus x bar whole square, xi minus x bar whole cube, and xi minus x bar whole to the power 4, as we have to calculate first 4 central moment. So we will calculate till x to the power xi minus x bar to the power 4. X bar mean is 5. So 2 minus 5 is minus 3. 3 minus 5 minus 2. 5 minus 5 0. 7 minus 5 2. 8 minus 5 3. On adding we get 0. Then again xi minus x bar. Once we have calculated xi minus x bar, we just take the square of it. So minus 3 square is 9. Minus 2 4 square 4. 0 4 9. On adding we will get 26. Similarly, take the cube of this. Minus 3 cube is minus 27, minus 8, 0, 8, and then 27. On adding, we get 0. Take the fourth power of minus 3. Fourth of minus 3 gives us 81. Fourth power of minus 2 gives us positive 16. Then 0, 16, and 81. On adding, 7, 14, 4, 1, 10, 19. We calculated all the sum of this. Now, to calculate the central mean, first 4 central moment. So, first moment will be given as sigma xi minus x bar divided by n. That will, sum of this is 0 upon 5, which is equal to 0. Then second moment is calculated as sigma xi minus x bar whole square divided by 9 is equal to 26 upon 5 is 5.2. Similarly, we calculate for third moment. Third central moment, it's give us sigma xi minus x bar whole cube divided by n, which is equal to 0 upon 5, 0. And the fourth central moment is sigma xi minus x bar whole to the power 4 upon n, 194 divided by 5 gives us the result as 15, 3, 38.8. 38.8. So we get the four central tendencies are mu1, first central tendency is 0, second is 5.2, third is 0, and fourth is 38.8. Find the first 4 central moment of frequency distribution data. To calculate this, we construct a table. Thus the table has been constructed. We will first calculate the mean of the data. Observations are given to us 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 12. And Fi is given to us 4, 3, 5, 4, 6, 3. On adding 12, 16, 25. Then Fi xi 3 to 4 are 12, 15, 35, 36, 66 and then 36. On adding again 5, 12, 18, 24, 30, 3, 4, 5, 8, 11, 17, 20. So mean of the data is sigma xi fi upon sigma fi. That means 200 upon 25, which is equal to 8. So mean of the data is 8. Now what we do, we in this column xi minus mean 8. Mean is 8. Mean is 8. So we simply subtract 8 from xi. 3 minus 8 is minus 5. 5 minus 8 minus 3. 7 minus 8 minus 1. 9 minus 8 1. 11 minus 8 3. 12 minus 8 4. After that, once we get xi minus x bar, we simply take the square of minus 5. That gives us 25, 9, 1, 1, 9 and then 16. Take the cube of xi minus x bar cube means take the cube of minus 5, minus 125, minus 27, minus 1, 1, 27 and the cube of this is 64. After that xi minus x bar to the power 4. So we take minus 5 to the power 4. That means 125 multiplied by 5 is 625 with the positive sign. As the power is 4, so negative sign becomes positive. So again this gives us 81, 1, 1, 81 and this gives us 16, 1, 256. Fi xi minus x bar. It's a frequency distribution, so we have to multiply each term, each xi minus x bar by its frequency. So fi xi minus x bar gives us minus 20. 3 minus 3 minus 9. 5 minus 1 minus 5. 4 into 1 4. This gives us 18 and 3 4s are 12. Add this. See, 29 and 29, 34, minus 34. Add this 34. So this gives a result as 0. Now xi minus x bar, here fi x minus x bar whole square multiplied by frequency f. So 4 into 25, 100. 3 9s are 27. 5 1s are 5. 4 1s are 4. 6 9s are 54 and 16 3s are 48. Again add 12, 16, 20, 28, 2, 4, 9, 13, 1, 238. Then again 2 xi minus x bar whole cube into f. This is cube into f. 125 into 4 gives us minus 500. 27 into minus 27 into 3 minus 81. 5 into minus 1 minus 5. 4 into 1 is positive 4. 9 into 27. 9 into 27 gives us 6 into 27. 6 into 27 is 42, 4, 12, 16, 162. We multiply 3 into 64. 3 into 64 is 12, 1, 192. On adding, this gives you minus 568, minus 586 and this you add 4, 8, 15, 1, 3, 16, 8, 7, 2, 2. So you will get minus 228. Now x minus x bar to the power 4 into fi. So 4 into 625. This gives me the result as 22, 10, 2500. 3 into 81. This is 243. 5 into 1 only 5. 4 into 1 only 4. 6 into 81 is 486 and 3 into 256 is 18, 1, 16, 1, 7, 68. Add all this. This gives you 6004. 4006. Now we have already calculated this fi xi minus x bar, fi xi minus x bar whole square, fi xi minus bar whole cube, and fi xi minus x bar whole to the power 4. Now to calculate the central moment for this, first central moment mu1 is given as sigma fi xi minus x bar upon sigma fi. So we have calculated this as 0. 0 upon 25 is 0. Second central moment is mu2 fi xi minus x bar whole square divided by 25. That means 238 divided by 25. This gives me the result as 25. Take 200 for 8, 9. We take a whole 225. It goes with 225. 9, 25, 2, 5, 13, 130. Decimal 9.52. Then mu 3, third frequency distribution table is, third central moment is sigma fi xi minus x bar whole cube upon sigma fi, which means minus 228 divided by 25. This give me the result as on minus 9.12. Fourth frequency distribution table. To calculate the fourth frequency distribution table, I will calculate here only. Fourth is, say, sigma fi xi minus x bar to the power 4 upon sigma fi. This give me the result as 4006 upon 25. If you divide 4006 by 25, you will get 1, 20, 15, 150, 16, 160.24. 160.24. So this is how we calculate the frequency distribution. First we have to calculate the mean, which we calculate as 8. Then we calculate first central moment. Central moment is 0. Second central moment is 9.52. Third central moment is minus 9.12. And the fourth central moment is 160.24. This is my third, second, and the first central moment. This is how you have to calculate. We know the formula, substitute the value in the formula and just calculate the central moment.